Hi, friends. I'm retired pastor, teacher, theologian Papa Dale. Today's Bible lesson is The Hate is Real. Well, I've been serving Christ and studying the Bible for over 50 years. You can see more about me in a video on this playlist titled Papa Dale Intro. I hope to teach you something you might not have known before, but please listen and be skeptical and check me and every Bible teacher out in comparison to what the Bible actually says. So let's get into the lesson today, which is The Hate is Real. This is a little more personal teaching here that exemplifies what's going on in the world mindset. This comment reads, or this lesson reads, my YouTube channel, Papa Dale and the Bandit, has attracted more hate, more threats, more personal attacks than anything I've ever experienced. There are nearly 700 videos, and the first 300 or so are travel videos. But since then, I've been posting to playlists about the Bible and culture. The channel has remained pretty obscure until I posted 2 or 3 anti-atheism videos, and all hell has broken loose. Here's one example, and you'll have to look up the link for that in the lesson notes. There are actually 2. One is the bankruptcy of atheism, and the other is why atheists don't get it. Videos that once got a few dozen videos or so and a half dozen comments or so have, with this new content, gotten hundreds and hundreds of views and comments. The viciousness of the attack was amazing to me. It seems people are so radically charged in their hatred for the Creator, so hateful of anyone who challenges their atheistic opinion. My safety could be under threat if they knew where to find me. On a personal basis, I now more fully understand the outright demonic frenzy of people screaming, "Crucify him! Crucify him!" If you have ever seen loud and violent videos of clashes between abortion versus life supporters, or between gay transgenders and traditionalists, you could catch a glimpse of the hate these videos have attracted. The rising hatred of Jesus and his followers is a further evidence that these are the end times. New Testament scholar and resurrection specialist Gary Habermas says that psychological surveys of atheists reveals that at least 20% of them are angry, very angry at God. It might be that all 20% of those have watched my videos and left their hatred in the comments. Well, I pray for them. May Yahweh grant relief from their blindness to consider the free gift of salvation offered by our Lord Jesus Christ. God bless you. Thanks for watching. And even God bless the atheists. I hope one day you can see the truth.